cash. Bust a bus. Yeah.
Bobby, let's go.
I've been dancing with the devil. He was always good to me. And I've been working in the shadow of a friendly enemy. But now I'm feeling broken, living in the moment. Should've known that you would bring me down. Yeah, I've been dancing with the devil. Like, ooh.
The cash, make my bounce back.
Last time, you knew I wasn't good for you, but you swore you hit the jackpot, and you swore you struck gold. You been stepping on your toes, always tripping over nothing, but nothing's on the floor. I swear the time it takes to congregate and conversate just so things don't complicate. I just don't have the time of day to try to pay attention to what your mama say. She just move her lips, talking about